say things like, Jesus titty fucking Christ. I don't fuck titties, but go ahead.
Be careful, that Nissan driver in front of me is a Karen! She's gonna want to see the manager because there's probably too much traffic or something, I don't know. Seriously, why would you have that as a license plate? Although that is the older style of license plate, and that's probably, she probably got that before the Karen meme stuff happened, but she's a freaking Karen.
We sent the city a letter, but basically it didn't threaten a lawsuit. It just said, hey...
Red light run! Red light run! Red light run!
The idea that the birth of Jesus would be so thoroughly inscribed upon the natural world that even someone from another nation...
Left turn regret.
What's going on.
Paul, welcome back to Star Talk.
Good to be back. Great to see you, buddy. How are you?
Paul's a professional comedian. You're an Emmy, and I just learned also a Peabody Award winner. You never told me that. You get an Emmy just for being funny. You get a Peabody Award for being funny with purpose.
With intellect.
Why are you honking at the guy?
Why are you laughing?
Well, no one told me about how many people, but it's too late to
Really?
say you're sorry.
There was someone coming.
Of course, the Satanic Temple was like, okay, we'll sign up for this, and we got permission to erect a statue of a goat-headed figure.
Come on.
It had, the 7...
There's literally no reason, and no amount of research has dug anything up at all to suggest that Joe Biden.
Wait, why are you back up of shaming over there? What are you doing? Really? I think at that point, because you just back up or you just make the right turn, and where you can't make it. I think that'd be the better solution. It still would have been wrong, but whatever. I don't make up the rules.
But, so, everybody's making this huge deal out of it, so
No, stop.
surprise when it's vandalized, right? So,
Do a thing that I thought that they were going to do. Which is good. In this country, if our current Supreme Court
Nice
does
cut off.
something that's bad, all right. Well, talk to me a little bit. Your family was secular, but
my dad's family was...
Yeah, left turn lane dive.
Mostly, not religiously.
To fit a mold. Offensive lines need cohesion.
That was a offensive dive.
Recently, you may not understand this. I've reached out to the LGBT lifestyle for a long time.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Guess what? Please don't play too much Christmas music at all.
Yeah.
I just can't. I can listen to every
Nope.
song 2 times. So right now.
and I frankly, the rest of you should feel ashamed.
Really?
Grandpa Jerry donated to us in honor of. Anyway,
You guys, I just have.
I mean, I don't have a bingo card. I don't have a bingo card because
a lot of
everything
people
that
say
happened
they
this
do.
year,
They're like, I didn't have that on my bingo card.
No, it turns right from the left lane.
Connections.
Terrific touch by the defensive coordinator. The surprising.
There's no
play
stop
that
behind
comes from
me.
Behind victories, the playoff.
Ram
play,
drivers are
all
awful.
that in year
Stop
one,
it.
And then
Organs being neither renowned as great warriors nor counted amongst the very wise. In fact, it has been remarked by some that Hobbit's only real passion is for food. A rather unfair observation. We've also
dive for the right turn lane behind me.
And the smoking of pipe weed. Yeah. But where our hearts truly lie is in peace and quiet.
Mr. Rooter.
Good tilder.
Any of the real problems can't address climate change, but holy shit, can we kill some people? And that just, for me, is what Christmas is whenever I see all these lights and colors. And
Red light
signs
run.
and
Red
Santa
light
Claus
run.
taking
Red light run. Someone actually stopped. Amazing. And we just roll through.
Go. So, listen, Browns are 9-5.
Extra regret.
They have the Texans.
Oh boy, we got a lot of people today. Let's see the damage. Stopped. Good. Let's see what the Amazon got. Oh, stopped. Good. Good. Packages might be a little bit late, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Good job. Yeah, I knew someone was bound to screw up. Nope, Spectrum, your cable rates suck, and you suck too. Toyo turd did not stop. Holy shit, the Kia stopped here. Okay, we're making some progress. Good job. And of course, I'm going to stop because I know I'm going to have a dozen commenters on my ass if I didn't. Now let's see how the guys behind me do. No, of course not. And that guy did. We got a bit of a mixed bag here. So, yeah, people keep screwing up because it's Utica and people suck. No stopping. Hey, look, there's someone coming here, you know. You might want to stop at these stop signs. You know, you could get into an accident and get hurt. Yeah, I know we're pissed that the Comets lost, but you kind of gotta, you know, follow the rules.
The leading aeronautic institution in France, and he said, "This idea is revolutionary. It's going to change the world. Put your engineers to work and help me finish it." And they said,
left lane squatter and camper or whatever the fuck you want to call it in. Nice cut off.
A series of elements compressed into a diamond using a machine. And then they say, look at the purity, look at the clarity, look at the color, look at how it has been shaped and molded. Yes, right now, 40% off. It's
really
only $1,450. And don't you want to get something truly valuable for the person you love? And what's the minefield if you get someone a cheapie? Hey, look, I went to
Counter special. Queef Week. It is Queef Week on Mark Norman's YouTube channel. You will not.
Are you exit diving? Yes, you are. Okay, it's time for a little story time, boys and girls, because it looks like I'm going to be stuck in this traffic for at least another 2 hours. I've been to at least 50 of these Utica Comet games over the last 2 years or so. I have been featured on the Jumbotron at least 3 times. Whenever they do that, the other team scores right away, and of course they did it again tonight. I have the face that would, if I showed it on camera, I would lose all my subscribers. So I figured Akira Schmid saw my ugly mug on the Jumbotron again and decided, oh no, I'm going to let in yet another goal. Stop doing that! Alright, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye!